So right now, yes, it's different, but I am using the GoPro right now. Kelsey, say hi. Jay, say hey. Just wait outside the thingy then. Dude, the FPS on this is crazy. I'm king of the world. Feel the water. I'm the only one like Jacob, cross over. Cross over. Step on those rocks. I'm king of the world. What distance? To jump. This is matter of life and death. Be careful.
Oh my god, I don't want to do this.
I mean, the worst that can happen is you just break your ankle. Oh, what a ninja. There's Joven. Come on, Joven. This guy's slow. Oh, look at him go.
Oh,
Careful, man. Careful.
Joven taking his sweet time. Joven having his feet in the water right now to get across the rock. Oh, it appears he found a sinkhole. Oh no, his slipper's on the...
This guy just lost his slipper. He lost his slipper.
It's flowing down the river.
Just leave it, Joven. Joven got the slipper. He's climbing up. His mom is yelling at him. Come on, Joven. I spent like 30 seconds recording you, or like probably more.
I'm gonna go pee.
Are you really? Do it.
Hey,
No one's about to knee heat. Go ahead, John. John can just walk through. John is being a good Asian boy.
Relying on nature.
Oh, this is...
Hey, are you gonna upload this?
My feet are totally soaked, and yeah. Oh boy, you almost smacked that in me. Oh, fudge. Whew, bad words almost slipped from my mouth. Oh, I got a boo-boo. Corky.
Hold the branch.
Oh boy, this is very slippery.
Careful, John.
Oh boy. Whew. Oh, you almost slipped. Wow. Yeah, you know, just walking in water.
Smells like nature.
Yeah. To be our tour guide for like 5 seconds. Oh, I think we should go over here. It says danger. That means fun. It's a long hike, but I think I'll be worth. I checked it and we're 2,400 something feet altitude. Our parents are all the way down there. We decided to go ahead of our parents and now we lost them. So we're just like going straight and hopefully run into them. So I think we're supposed to be down there, but we're up here. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we made it. We found them. And we're about to go swimming, babe. Or baby. This is weird. Move out of the way again. Watch out. We have made it. The prodigal children have returned. Oh, shoot. So we were all the way up there.
We were up there.
So we just crouched. I'm about to slip. Oh!
I pressed the record button like at the last second.
So we did it. It's really cold. So now we're gonna attempt to go up it and get a first person. Yeah. You put it up. Homie. Go ahead. Do it again. Oh yeah. Jovin. Alright, so Mr. Jacob is going first. Alright, go Jacob. This is going for the gram. The gram, homie. I bet, homie. Do it for the gram. Oh! Alright, Jacob, do it for the vine!
This is for you, Mom.
Oh, do it for me, man! Oh, Harambe! Oh, he's dabbing! No! Oh, gnarly! Dude, that was gnarly! Yeah! Dude, you're up, man!
This is for you, Harambe.
Oh, he's doing it for Harambe! Don't be goal!
Go ahead,